Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and today I'm going to be talking about how to monetize your job. And what I mean is how to produce more income at your job with basically starting a side business that's associated with that. And the reason I'm making this video is that's obviously what I do with my job. If you aren't familiar with what I do, I work at a Dodge Ram dealership in Utah. And I now obviously run my main channel, which is just titled Ben Hardy, where I do car reviews. I do videos about how to buy a car, videos about my personal vehicles, all that kind of stuff, which a lot of it relates back to the dealership. So I've in turn created a second business where I earn money off of, my already standing job essentially. And the reason I'm making this video is I believe that anyone can do this with their job because there's so much content that people are watching on YouTube nowadays and looking up on social media and all that kind of stuff. And so no matter what you do, you can always, start some sort of social media account essentially to in turn earn more money off of what you're already doing. And it really doesn't necessarily have to be all that much more work. So the first thing is about this video is it's all going to be about social media. So if you hate social media, which I'm guessing none of you guys watching this video do because you're watching YouTube, which is social media. So I'm guessing that you guys are for social media. So first off is start a social media account of some kind, whether it's Facebook or Instagram or YouTube. Those are kind of the main ones that I see. Start a social media account, that's related to the business that you already do. And you can do obviously a side passion. That's going to be a completely separate video. This video is going to be based purely on, something that's related to your work that you already do, but create an account to it, right? And I'm not as familiar with the monetization on Facebook or Instagram. Facebook, I know that you have to have a certain amount of likes and followers, I believe, and then they'll start monetizing you, similar to YouTube, where your videos and stuff, they'll have advertisements on it and you'll get a cut of the ad rate from that. Instagram, from what I've seen at least, I might be wrong on this, but from what I've seen, most of the money earned off of Instagram is from brand deals. So it's brand sponsorships on particular posts on Instagram. So it's not quite the same monetization that happens on YouTube or Facebook where, you're making money off of ad rates. It's more like you have to reach out to advertisers or advertisers reach out to you, and that's how you make money there. Where YouTube, what I am familiar with is, there's a little bit of both, obviously. So sometimes brands will reach out to you, you reach out to them, and you can create deals with them where you can make money there. Or the main source of income, depending on what your YouTube channel is ad revenue, which that's the main source of my channel's income because my main channel gets so many views that the money I make from there is going to be far more money than what I'm going to make from brand deals. That being said, though, how you basically monetize this is you create that social media account and then just post about stuff that's happening on, a daily basis with whatever you do. Now, if it's an Instagram account, I'm going to relate this to, the car dealership that I work at. If I made an Instagram account, I would just be posting pictures of all the vehicles we have in our lot, probably multiple a day. And I'd be posting short videos about the vehicles. I used to work at a restaurant, so if I had an Instagram account and I was still working at the restaurant, then I would be making, pictures of all the food that was being made at the restaurant, how it looked, pictures of the restaurant, videos of the food being produced, just little things like that. Obviously, there might be a fine line with, doing that kind of stuff at work, but if you can kind of, quote unquote, get away with it, then that'll be great because you can, obviously monetize your business in a sense. So I would take those pictures and post short videos and post those on Instagram, right? Hopefully gain a following from it because people will watch it. Facebook, a little bit longer videos. YouTube, a little bit longer videos, right? So you guys obviously see what I do with YouTube. I post video reviews on new vehicles, all that kind of stuff. And so I have in turn monetized my work. Now I have to do some stuff outside of work, but some stuff I can do at work essentially. Like this video that I'm making today, I just finished my shift for the day, got everything done for the day. So I'm making a quick, 5 to 10 minute long video, which is in turn, this channel, I haven't gotten it monetized yet, but once I get this channel monetized, I'm going to be monetizing just me talking about work, which is already at work, all related. So it all kind of comes back in a weird way. But yeah, I mean, that's really it. There's some more complicated things to it, marketing yourself, all that kind of stuff. And I can make more videos on that kind of stuff if you guys want me to. But the simple answer is whatever you do at work, all you have to do is start a social media account that's related to it. Start posting stuff that happens at work on a regular basis. If your posting schedule is, every day, post every single day, just post on a regular basis. you will organically gain followers. Obviously, if you create some sort of value, you find your little bit of a niche, right? Research the material that you're posting. What, other people that post that same material, research it. See what they're posting, see what they're not posting, see what people are interested in, see what people are not interested in. So you can find your little niche, so then you can gain followers based off of all of that. But really what this is just helping, people, because I hear a lot of people that, I help people purchase cars. I've got a lot of friends, family, all that kind of stuff that, they just want to earn more income and they say that they can't. I hear that all the time and I absolutely hate that. They go, I can't make more money. I'm stuck at a dead-end job. And it's like, I understand that there's some limitations based on, education, where you work, what you're skilled and all that kind of stuff. But if you're already skilled in a particular thing, you're already working at a place and all you have to do is just film what you're doing, then that in turn means that you're not doing anything different. You're not learning any really new skill, because I'm telling you, I'm not trying to insult myself, but anyone, you don't have to have any type of degree. Anyone can get a camera pointed at themselves and just start going, right? It's super, super simple. And so whatever you do, all you have to do is just film it. Keep doing what you're doing. Just film it, post it, and you never know what could happen. Thank you everyone so much for watching. If you're stopping for the first time, please subscribe, comment down below what you think, and then I will see all of you in that next video.